Hi everybody, BT here with FXLiveDayTrading.com. I want to touch base really fast on the non-farm payroll trade that I took today. This trade was taken a few minutes prior to the non-farm release at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which came out much better than expected. Well, the charts were telling me a very good story, one that I felt the movement was creating some divergence on the upside, which was looking a bit bearish. As a result, I went ahead and took a short at 130.95. Now this is my trade line. Above that, I would have started to get a little weary that maybe we can blow through some of those stops above that 131 area. As long as we stay below that, okay, bearish tone. So needless to say, took a small short here. Stop was above that overhead resistance that I've discussed time and time again in the Forex trading room here at FXLiveDayTrading.com. And the key level to the downside was that 129.86. I wanted to exit just before we touched that, so the exit was 129.95, giving a clean 100 pips on this short. Now, yes, we did come back down to our next resistance level, and that was 129.64. Popped a little bit higher, but by that time I was out of the trade and done for the day. Alright, what happens after my trade is done, I'm not so concerned with. The bottom line is that I stuck with my plan, and then I had that stop in at that special level that I went ahead and did research before the trade occurred. And you know, a target, sometimes I'll go ahead and put my target in as a solid target, and sometimes I'll just manually exit. That's my style, and it depends on the trade. Needless to say, wanted to review this. If you're wondering why there's no indicators on the chart, that is because it's a news day. And on news days, I put a lot less emphasis on these indicators like stochastics, which are lagging, and MACD, which are lagging indicators, and more emphasis on the non-farm payroll reading. Yes, indeed, this is one of those days where I will look closely at the numbers. Sometimes we'll get different numbers, you know, Philly Fed PMI, and I'm not so concerned with the outcome unless it's a substantial surprise to the market. But today, it's very critical, very important to know when this news is released and what those numbers are. Needless to say, I went over this. Everybody have a very good weekend. Check us out at FXLiveDayTrading.com. If you have any questions on this trade, go ahead, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to go ahead and respond to them on YouTube. Everybody have a good one, and take care.